Hello, I'm Marta and this is the 9th episode about rebuild of my DR350S. The last time we fixed the missing spark issue. Today, before starting the engine, we will check its compression. In the service manual it's written that the compression rate should reach 9.5 to 1. For the compression test we need a tester with a proper adapter which has the same thread as the spark plug. The test will actually consist of two measurements. The first measurement is done on the dry engine, that means without putting an additional portion of oil into the cylinder. This test tells us about the valves and the piston rings condition. In the second measurement, when we put a little bit of oil into the cylinder, the oil seals the piston rings, so we mostly check the valves condition. So basically, first let's take off the spark plug cap. Then we unscrew the spark plug and we're ready to go. Before screwing in the tester, we're double checking if we have the right adapter by comparing the adapter with the spark plug. We're also checking spark plug port for any dirt to make sure it's clean. This is to ensure that there will be no air leakage between the adapter and the cylinder head. Now we can start kicking the same way as always during the engine starting. The engine should be cold. If you're kicking and the pressure on the tester stays the same, then that's your compression test result. As you can see, my DR blew 2 bars below the value provided by the manual. Now let's move to the second measurement and add about 6 milliliters of oil into the cylinder. Before the actual measurement, we're kicking a couple of times to spread the oil in the cylinder. Then we can screw the tester back in and repeat the test just like for the dry cylinder measurement. As you can see in this test, my DR gained 1 bar in comparison to the previous measurement. It looks like the engine is not in bad condition, although of course the compression could be better. So now we can unscrew the tester, screw back in the spark plug and put on the spark plug cap. In the next episode I will try to finally start the engine. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed, leave a like and stay tuned for the next videos documenting DR rebuilding.